All right, so today we're going to be talking about cyberbullying and what it is that we need to know as a staff. Okay, we need to make sure that we help our students understand that they are not at fault. We need to document anything and everything if a student comes to you and let an administrator or school council know as soon as possible. The percentage of schools with principals reporting daily, weekly cyberbullying is increasing from 7.9% in 2010 to 12% in 2016. So we do see a big increase in this, so we need to be aware of what's going on. Across all schools, 65.8% had rules that prohibited the use of cell phones. Schools that did not allow their students to use cell phones had reported a higher rate of daily or weekly cyberbullying, okay, than did schools that allowed cell phones. So what we really need to do is, since we're allowing cell phones to be in the school, we need to make sure that we know what's going on, when kids are using them, and kind of what they're using them for. What constitutes bullying? Okay, it's going to be substantially or something that disrupts learning for us. It interferes with the educational process or school discipline, utilizes school-owned technology to harass or threaten the other students or infringe upon their civil rights. Okay, we need to make sure that we are up to date with what our school policies say. Okay, we do cover these quite a bit, but we need to make sure that our school board policies are being followed and that we are up to date on them. Here's the link for us to always have that information available to us. And why is this so important? There are more teen suicides now that are attributed to, in some way, cyberbullying more than ever. Cyberbullying can have serious impacts on self-esteem and mental health of the people who are the victims of the cyberbullying. The website nobullying.org has recorded over 9.3 million visits in 2016 from people seeking help with bullying, cyberbullying, and online safety, and 9.3 million calls in 1 year. So that's something we have to realize. 4 out of 5 students say they would be more likely to intervene in instances of cyberbullying if they could do it anonymously. So that's another thing, is that we need to provide different avenues for students to report things, and we need to have different avenues in which we can attempt to stop the cyberbullying. And a recent survey has showed that Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram there are fewer cases on cyberbullying with WhatsApp, YouTube, and Twitter compared to those. Facebook 42% for cyberbullying, Snapchat 37%, Instagram 42%. And so we need to make sure that even if it's happening on social media, it is something that we take care of. We're going to put a stop to this, and we're going to make sure that our kids know the policies, the procedures, what's expected of them, and how to put a stop to these situations, because that's something that we're not going to tolerate in our school. Okay, these are some different resources that you guys can use. Again, make sure that we are caught up on our board policies. Make sure that we always have those available to us. If you have any questions, please come talk to any administration member or the school counselors, and we will get you the information that you guys need. Thanks. Have a great day.